Hello and welcome to the SaturdayMP Show, episode number 36, being recorded mostly live, March 12th, 2024. This is a show about shipping secure, high-quality software faster, and we do that through answering your questions, live coding exercises, and just other stuff that will help you and will look good on a video, ideally. I'm your host, Chris. And today we're going to, because it's the start of the Capture the Flag picoCTF 2024 started today. So I'm just going to show some pico exercises. Been up from the 2024 challenge because that's not, the challenge goes for 2 weeks. So we don't want any spoilers for anyone else. See, it's kind of against the rules and all that stuff. So we're just going to work in this pico gym practice area. And my other reason for doing this is, well, one, I'm in kind of a capture the flag mode because the challenge started today and we solved a couple of the challenges and the team I'm on. So thank you very much for the team. We're doing a great job. We're on the fun team. We're not on a very competitive team. So it's all about sharing information. And I learned some stuff about encryption or cryptography. And hopefully I'm able to teach some other people a couple things because I'm not an expert at cybersecurity or penetration testing or anything like that. And then the other reason for me doing this is usually I record these videos on Monday, but it's been such a hectic week that I ended up recording it now, Tuesday afternoon. And I had lunch today for the weekly dev chat, which people are welcome to attend. Maybe I'll show that here, weekly dev chat. So it's just a casual chat every Tuesday at noon Mountain Time. So yeah, come join us. But when I did the chat today, I thought, okay, I'm in a capture the flag mode, so let's do a hack the box challenge. And we'll just kind of screen share and discuss it. And I think that was a little over people's heads. I probably should have started with some of these pico ones, because I think, not looking back on it, I think this would have been a better choice for the weekly dev chat. So if we do maybe a hackathon or whatever, like a CTF, weekly dev chat, I'll do pico. So anyway, that's what we're going to do today. I'm just going to walk through some of these for, I don't know, we'll try to until we get stuck, I think, or until, I don't know, about half an hour, 45 minutes, because this is a really busy week for me. So I got to do some client work after this, and then I'm out of town for a bit, and some medical stuff I got to do. Just crazy. So, before we get started on that, if you want to skip the ad part, this is where it shows up. First of all, if you like these videos, you can click the like, subscribe, share, all the nice buttons, and leave comments down below. So Indeedy left some comments. So speaking of Indeedy, I think next week, speaking of people's questions, Indeedy has this human resource machine. So hopefully next week I'll get around to playing with human resource machine, I think. So thanks, Indeedy. You got a nice solution down there. So, but yeah, anyway, get back to it. You can leave questions or feedback in the YouTube comments. You can also send me questions to ask@SaturdayMP.com. I'd love to turn this to more a question and answer show. So if you do have questions, send them to me about software development, consulting, problems, even fun problems like the human resource machine. I'd love to answer those. And also, other way you could help, if you like these videos and you want to throw a couple dollars my way, you can go to the github.com SaturdayMP. Excuse me, and then click the sponsor button, and then, this screen's not big enough, but, it's down here. And then you can, just sponsor me for a couple dollars a month or a whole bunch of dollars a month. I said this before, I don't have any rewards for any of these tiers yet, but if you have suggestions, you're one of the first sponsors and have a suggestion, then let me know what you'd like to see. If you would like a newsletter or, some question and answer time with me or something like that. I don't know. Something I could think of. Maybe work on a specific open source problem. I guess it'd be another great video is if somebody wanted me, if there's an open source issue you wanted me to fix, I would go ahead and try and fix it. So I think that'd be some fun videos. That was actually the first couple of videos I did was me fixing an open source issue. So, okay. All right. Let's get into it here. We're 5 minutes already rambling. Haven't done anything yet. So for those who don't know, you can just go to picoCTF.org and just log in. create an account. Like like I said, there's an actual competition going on right now, but I'm not going to show that. We're in the practice one here. So it's the Pico Gym practice. I've done a couple of them. Like I did these ones a couple of days ago just to get myself, just to figure out like, okay, how does picoCTF work? Is there anything different? And it's not too much different than other capture the flags. You're basically given some sort of problem and you have to find the flag. Maybe it's in a file or whatever, but it says Pico and then it's got usually a bunch of random numbers after it. And a lot of times it just represents you decrypting a file or getting access to a server, like getting root or getting like logging in as admin or something like that. That's what it's supposed to represent. So, so just to give you kind of an idea, like this obedient cat is basically everything's just in plain. This is just to get you like to figure out that the Pico flag looks like this. So if you go here and then I guess we could just, where's my terminal? So if we just look at that file that we downloaded, which is in what? Downloads. It is. Yeah, you can see some of the other flags and stuff that I've downloaded. Did I just call it flag? What was it called again? Oh yeah, flag. Okay. So if we just look at the flag, right? It's just that's it. That's the flag. So for anyone looking to solve these, it's basically what you do. You're looking for something that looks like that, and then you enter the flag and you submit it, and it says, "Yay! I solved it again." I think I'm going to show this other one that I solved too. This mod. Oh, I should note too that these are all kind of sorted in difficulty. You can tell the difficulty by the points. I think it gets up to like 500 points. We'll just go through these easy ones, like I said, until we get stuck. And I'm hoping maybe some of the people that attended the weekly dev chat. Like, I'm sorry again, that was a little too. Hack the Box might have been too confusing. So maybe try this instead. All right, so this one is, it's using this rotating, I can't remember exactly what ROT stands for, but it's basically rotating the bits. So for this case, we don't need all this ad crap up here. There's a great tool called CyberChef. And it has a bunch of ways to translate text. So if you end up with text like this, you can do a bunch of translations on it to transform it to what you want. So you could, it's got this rotating bits cipher thing. It's got like base64 encoding. It's got like DES decrypting and encrypting and stuff like that. So it's a really cool tool that sometimes I use it even outside of hacking competitions if I need to do a bunch of text manipulation. It's a great little tool, and you make these little recipes and you can kind of stack what you want to do. But anyway, that's how to do this one. So that one's a nice, quick, simple one. There's lots of different ways to solve these, but yeah, that's just a nice, easy one. So this Python wrangling. So I think I have to download some Python scripts. So let's just clear out my. I guess let's see. Will it let me? Can you run this Python script using this flag, this password to get the flag? Okay. Let's just save as. I can put them in the right spot. So documents. Practice. Oh yeah, I created the folder for it already. Just never got around to downloading it. Save. Okay. So if we look in this folder here, we got these 3 files. So let's just open these up in Visual Studio Code here. Don't save. Oh, I already have that folder open. Look at me go. All right, so this is a flag. Password. I wonder if this is just being able to run a Python script. So I always like to read the scripts before, like, even though this is like, show me something too malicious in this, it's usually a good habit. Any scripts you find on the web, you should probably give them a once over just to make sure. Even stuff like on Stack Overflow or ChatGPT suggests to you, give it a once over. So like this thing looks like this is the usage. Examples, decrypt file name, do Python arg0. Oh, I'm assuming maybe this is the password we're supposed to pass in. Oh, it's just the message printing. If there's a -e, then please enter the password. If there's a -d, enter the pass. One is probably encrypt. Oh, encrypt and decrypt. Oh, okay. Yeah, -d to decrypt. And the other ways to encrypt. Then help. Else print unrecognized first argument. Oh, so the first argument is what is the first argument? It's gotta be maybe the I don't know. Let's try running it. Let's see. So I don't see anything malicious in there, right? Like I wasn't expecting anything, but all right. To run a Python script, end.py. All right. So there's the Python script. Oh, do -h. Yeah. So it gives us the help there. Oh, maybe I'll move this up a little bit. Hopefully this is coming through okay on the video. And then what's our file? We got pw.txt. That's our password. That's the file. Oh, okay. That's what. Okay. So one thing I should notice, I'm not a Python developer, so I haven't actually used Python. I use Python most when I'm doing these hacking competitions. I don't use it very often either. So this is just argv0 is actually the file that's being run. That's this here. It's end.py. Okay. Where does it get the password? Oh, -e, please enter the password. If it's less than 4, I guess you could probably enter it. It looks like you could enter it as a script. Okay. Let's just try. So Python 3 ende.py. I got rid of all the help. Shoot. We want to decrypt. The file name is flag.txt.en. It should prompt me for my password, which is this. All right, yeah, there we go. Okay, so I think this was just an example of like how to run a Python script and how to get your decrypted. Yeah, how to run a Python script. So we just throw that in there. Boom. Let's see if that's correct. Hooray! All right. Oh, do I like that one? Yeah, sure, it's fine. Like it. Wave a flag. Oh, look at all the hints on this one. Can you invoke the help flags for a tool or binary? This program has extraordinary helpful information. Okay, so this is wave the flag. So maybe actually what I'll do, I'm just going to open. Just going to open this whole folder here. Yeah, I'll trust it for now. All right, then I'll just get them all. So now I can save this. Save link as. I can put it here, and I can create a new. How do I create a new folder? There we go. What was it? Wave the flag, I think, right? Oh, wave flag. Flag. Save it here. All right, so now we have our wave a flag. Oh, okay, so it's a binary file. Oh, let's open up the terminal. See now, running a random running a random binary that you just downloaded from the internet. Like this, it's got to be like because you trust it, right? But that's kind of makes me a little iffy. So let's do something here. Wave. My guess is you just got to use the help hex editor. One. Let's see. Probably not going to tell us. Elf. Okay, so this is like a C binary compiled for Linux. Print some stuff. Hello, user. Pass -H to learn what I do. Okay, yeah, like there's the strings. Oh, help. I actually don't do much, but I do have this flag here. Oh, yeah, so we can even just get the, like, we don't have to, I don't even have to run the binary. Oh, no. I actually don't know how to copy things out of here. Can I just highlight it? Will that copy it? Nope. Oh, there. Do that. Biscuits and gravy. All right. Oh, wait. picoCTF. Did I copy something wrong? B1SUC. Oh, so it should be a 1 here. Like this, I think. There we go. Yeah, so you have to run. I guess. Okay. Yeah. Like again, it's a bad habit to run executables you don't know anything about. But if we just ran warm, oh, got to run /warm. Oh, really? Oh, I have to make it executable is what I have to do. So in this case, you can see here on Linux, it's not executable, it's just readable. That's what all these, the X in this means executable, and then you got the user, group, and everyone permissions. So it's read writable by me. I think it's user, group, everyone, if I remember correctly. So it's read writable by me. It's readable by the group I'm in, which is the local admin group, the username, and the group is the same. And it's also readable by any other user. So to make this actual executable, we have to do a change mod, which is change mode. We'll just make it executable by everyone and the name of the file. So now you can see it's got the X's on there, so now it's executable by me, by the group, and by everyone. So now, sorry, we should really go /warm and then -H. Yeah, so it's just a binary that does that. Okay. Cool. Yeah, sure. I don't know. All right, let's go on to the next one here. Information. Files can always be changed in a secret way. Can you find the flag? So this is a JPEG, but I bet you if we open it up, it's not actually JPEG. It might be a text file or something like that. Okay, so let's first of all set up information. Okay, now let's save this file. Oh, maybe it is actually JPEG. That was a big XPack. I'm not quite sure what the JPEG file format is. Let's go. Does this... Oh yeah, there we go. Oh, cute little cat. So there's probably a flag hidden in it. Like maybe it's not an entire JPEG. So let's take another quick look at it. So Photoshop. I don't know what type of. Oh, there's our flag. It's right there, probably. Maybe. Big old. Assuming this is all JPEG stuff. I don't really know the JPEG format. Alright, just a whole bunch. Seems like a ridiculous. I don't. Yeah, like it looks. Oh, it's a big file. Huh. How big is it? Ridiculously big. Files can always be changed in a secret way. Like, do we want to rename this? I don't think that's not going to give us anything. Oh, it's not. Yeah, so this is packet and I think if I knew more about the JPEG file format, this would make a lot more sense. Oops. I have to copy it, not move it. Does it have the? That'd be great if it had the flag in the background there. Okay, let's take a look at a hint. Look at the details of the file. Oh, maybe it's in the meta information for the. How do I view the meta information on Linux? Let me take a look here. View JPEG meta information. Linux. Oh, I need image. I don't think you need image magic. file. Oh, okay, so there's some information in there. Fine. Oh, is it the ID? What was the... Files can be changed in secret ways. Yeah, like it's gotta be at this top part somewhere. Yeah, that's actual image, I guess, there. Oh, is this the one I get stuck on and quit? Is it the ID? It's gotta be in here somewhere. Photoshop 3 file. Oh, this is just a guess. No, I don't think so. Look at the details of the file. So I'm looking at it. Yeah, there's only 2 picos. I don't know what the answer to this is. Oh, we're doing so good too. Files can always be changed in a secret way. Can you find the flag? No, because I'm not that smart. Yeah, you can't possibly have to look through all that. Okay, let's get some help. Oh, okay. I'm gonna pause this for a sec while I log in. All right, sorry about that. We're back and we're logged in. And let's just, I don't know, let's just put this in here. Let's see what it says. Oh, didn't want that. Oh, I want all of this. Oh, I won't do all of that for some reason. Do it from there. Oh no, it's really struggling. Okay, so this is a JPEG file. That's what GIF stands for. See if you can help me with this stuff. Looks like you share a snippet of X and P muches. Creative Commons license. Oh, given this an encoded CC license. Oh, right. Oh, okay. Oh, thanks, ChatGPT. So, what do you think that's encoded with? Base 64, maybe? Let's see what the CyberChef wizard says. Oh yeah, base 64. Okay, cool. Yeah, so this is just a base 64 encoded thing. Okay. That one was a little tricky. Submit the flag. I guess, sure. You can get a thumbs up. That was a little tricky though. Okay, and then, yeah, Netcat. Okay, that's a cool tool to use. Let's try this one, and then I think we'll call it. There's a nice program to use that you... Oh, okay. So we've got to run that. I don't 100% remember all the commands for Netcat, but like I said, I've only recently started doing this, and trying to memorize all these tools and how they work is a bit of a struggle. So let's chat with this. Oh, okay. So we went to this port here, and we could probably just, I wonder if curl would give us the same thing. I'm just curious. Mercury.picoCTF.net. How do you... Oh, what's the port? How do I set the port? I think I need to do like this. Oh, okay. I don't know what the difference between Netcat and curl is. I'll have to look that up. All right, here. Let's go here. What is the difference between Netcat and curl? Okay. I guess curl was just like an HTTP. Web protocols. Oh, okay, cool. Anyway, this looks like a bunch of binary. So let's copy this. And let's put it into our CyberChef. Oh, And then if we go to, I think it's from decimal. Yeah. There we go. So this converts, so in binary, from decimal, does it tell me here? Let's see. Yeah. Converts data from an integer array back to its raw form. So it's converting these numbers back to their, from kind of their binary or numeric representation back into actual text that I can read. So cool. All right. All right. Well, oh man, let's see. Do we do one more? Transformation. I wonder what this really is. Join. Oh, that looks like a big gross. Okay, let's try. Let's try one more. Save link as. Practice. Oh, what was that called again? Transformation. Transformation. Save. So if we go look at transformation. Oh, it's all in Japanese. Or let's see. Sorry, not Japanese. That looks like Chinese. But I can't. I think. Oh, I should know that symbol. Yeah, I know a couple symbols from my in-laws, but I don't recognize any of these. At least it's been a long time. I should study harder. All right. So what is it? Join. This looks like Python. Okay, well, let's try oh, so probably if I put this in here. Oh, but it doesn't know what flag is. Okay, well let's run my script here and see what happens. Trans Python 3. Yeah, it doesn't flag. It doesn't know. I think I have to do maybe like this. What are we getting now? Char are not in range. Flag. So this argument is not in range. So just say we're joining the character. Let's just do one. String index out of range. Oh, I need at least 2 characters. Okay. Oh, it's not within range. What does char do in Python? Gives me a character. Returns a Unicode string of 1 character with ordinal I, 0 less than I less than. We're adding those 2 characters together? So, what's the OR do? Return the Unicode point for a 1 character string. I'm assuming flag at I. It's like we're shifting everything and then we're maybe I'm just not cutting and pasting quickly. Let's try opening a file instead. Maybe that's it. So flag equals, is there open? Open. Yeah, there we go. Oh, it's not that. It is ENC. Yeah, ENC. I'm assuming stands for encrypted. Yeah, still not within range. Just make sure that's all correct. Well, let's see. What's the OR? Okay, let's do this. Print flag at 0. Print OR flag at 0. Yeah. Oh, it's creepy how good GitHub Copilot is. Okay, so we printed off the flag. Check. We printed off this. Great, great. So we got that. We get this, this, and this. I don't know what that means. What does this error message mean? What does that do? Does that just shift everything? Yeah. Right, so it shifted all the bits. Right, when we shifted those bits, we got a huge number. Flag at 1. Flag. Okay, let's look at a hint. Like apparently that doesn't work at all. So you may find some decoders online. What does that mean? Can I use CyberChef? Oh, is this how it was encoded maybe? And I have to do the opposite of this? Oh, maybe this is how it was encoded. Okay, well, I don't know. Let's see. I don't think CyberChef can have... I bet you if I put this into ChatGPT, can you translate this? Yeah. Right. So I don't know about the decoder online, but maybe they're using a Python thing, but maybe that's how that was encoded. So do I do the opposite? Step by 2. Oh, is each flag, each one of these characters, I took 2 characters. Oh no, it's taking longer. It's 2, oh, it took 2 normal characters, I think. And smooshed them together to make this bigger one. So I have to extract them. So how would I do that? Right, so if I did my flag as like test. Yeah, okay, that's how they encoded it. Now I need to decode it. Which I don't know how to do. I'm not that smart. So I got to take each character. They shifted the bits to the left 8. Was that to... I wonder why they did that. Okay, so if I look at this, it's 116. Sorry, the flag is T. The ordinal is 116, and if I shift it a whole bunch, it moves it to that. And then I add the two numbers together. Right, where's the ORed end? Here, here. What is shifting byte? What kind of math is that? Binary shift math. Okay, let's just go here. In binary, what is shifting by 8 in base 10 math? Okay. Well, that's not quite. It's just the bits loop around, I think. So I have to split this thing apart into two is what I need to do. So I need to in Python, how do I split a Unicode character into 2 bytes? Or is it, what is ORed? Is ORed Unicode point for a 1-character string? Oh, they added those two numbers together. So they added, after they shifted it, they added it to the next one. Return a Unicode string of 1 character with the ordinal I. Return. So I have flag. Flag. When we got down to 112, so Ran test, we got this and this. Byte equals test. So we got T, flag of 116, the ordinal. If I shift it, it's 0. Yeah, right, because it's going to up. Yeah, you're moving all those over a bunch. And then squishing it into one. Oh, how do I undo this? Let's do this. And then let's, oh. Sure. If that works, that'd be hilarious. No. Okay. Didn't think that would, but that's not what I wanted. I wanted to just do, nope. I want to, go away. I want to do this, basically. Put it for this one. What does that give me? Okay, it does get me back to 116. So if I shift, that one gives me back, and then if I do, it's really interesting. So if I take this, what do we, thought we jumped by 2. Yeah, it's going to jump by 2. So that gets me back to 116. But I need the second character, which is going to be 116. Flag at 1, which is, so that's E. Shift. So that's E. That's 101. So now I gotta get to, how do I get from this to 101? Because this makes one character. I have no idea what that does either. That's interesting. Oh, we got back to 116. That's not what I wanted. Returns the Unicode code point. What is a Unicode code point? Unicode code point. Is it just like an array? Okay, well I know what the first one is. So now I have to take so now I have to take that first one, ord. So I have to take ord of enc1. I have to minus the ord enc c0. Yes, I think that's what I need to do. Nope. Oh, and I have to char the thing. Char. Oh, wait. Oh, no, I have to end this ord. And then I have to not have this char here. And this needs to be like this. Oh, for string and integer. Oh, no, right, that is right. And I want to do this. Right, okay. Oh, that is the wrong word. Oh, it's a big old negative number. So this number on the left is hugely wrong. So the ord is this, 29696. E101. We got the two characters, and then we got 29797. That's the encoding for 1. But I'm taking 2. So I got, that's still wrong. I got 116. So I got my 116 back. So that's great. But I need the second character out of that, which is oh, maybe because we're still on the first character. dfi minus coding of 0 is that. Oh, so much for a quick. Okay, so the encoding is that. Shift the bits. That's how the encoding works. It shifts it by that and then adds the 2. It's weird that I unshift it and I get that first character back. I really don't understand how that magic works. Maybe I don't want the it's because I don't want the ordinal. Don't think that's right either, but that's really confusing. Okay. Let's go back to 116. Now, how do we get to 101? Do I minus the second one? What's that? Two. What's my math like? 6, 0, 2, 2, 5. Yes, I got the 1. I wonder if I just got lucky with test. Let's try A, B, C, D. $97, $98, $97. Flags. We shifted over a bunch, add it together. Oh, that is 98. Is that what I need to do? The flag. Let's put the flag back to this. And then, well, okay, let's try. So if we put the decode equals to nope, not quite. Join. I don't want to add anything together, so that's so I want this like this. Yep. that could end there. Let's join. Can I do commas? No, I don't think I can. How do you concatenate strings? Oh, you can use plus. Okay. Plus. I just need 2 chars, I think. So, char of this plus the char of this. And then you can go away, I think. There we go. Hey! Okay, so. Well, thanks GitHub Copilot for your help there. I still don't understand 100% why that works, but. Oops. Let's do E and C here again. There we go. Copy. Oof. That one was a bit tricky. I don't know if I like that one. Okay, sure. So, yeah, basically it took... Oh, I don't know why my... So that's like bit mapping. So we're taking this character here. First thing as we're doing is we're shifting it. Oh, I really have to study my binary math. We're shifting it 8 characters to the right. To oh, okay, yeah, that makes sense because we shifted it 8. Yeah, we're basically gonna get rid of what we had at first. Oh, okay. So we're just going to shift it. So that gets us back to that one. So move all the bits over. Does that work? I don't know what that works. Actually, I still don't understand. Okay, well, if you understand the binary math behind that, let me know. Or if you have a question, let me know. Maybe I'll actually bring out the binary math calculator. Like, we'll write it out, and then we'll shift those bits over, and we'll shift them back. And we'll see why bit mapping it with this works as well. That's interesting, too. Because it's going to... Is Unicode 4 bytes? Because this is only 2. This is a hex for F. Because what? Oh yeah, I have to think about that. Okay, but anyway, I'm out of time. I have other things I have to do today. So yeah, thank you all for watching. Again, if you have any suggestions for future videos, any questions you'd like answered, send an email to ask@SaturdayMP.com. Just like that. Or you can also leave comments in the YouTube channel below if you have any questions. And if you want to explain to me why this magical formula with the help of GitHub Copilot works, I'd love to know. Otherwise, yeah, maybe I'll have to do this on my own. Or if people ask enough questions, maybe I'll go through, or even if you provide an answer, just have questions, maybe I'll go through a video and we'll figure out why this works. Like, we'll write out the bits and everything. And we'll see what the heck is going on there, because that's really interesting. Yeah, and constructive criticism is always welcome. Just don't be mean. There's enough mean people on the internet. You don't need to add to the numbers. Be a happy, nice person. You're more attractive that way when you're happy and nice. And thank you very much, everyone, for watching. I hope you found this useful, and I will see you again next week. Take care.